Hello, good morning and welcome back to my Shabby Craft Corner. Thank you for joining me today. I am back with showing off my design team project for Ooh La La Vintage Treasures. And this is the Parisienne Fashion Boutique kit, and it's in pink. There is a neutral collection too. So I started off, what we did was we decorated this on my group Shabby Journals Crafts and More the other day in the live, and we made all the ephemera. So I will link that one today in the description if you want to go and watch the live how we created it. It's when you upload to YouTube you don't understand what's going on, and it's difficult for people to like sit and watch. It was 2 hours long, I think. 2 hours of us talking utter rubbish. But I did create this little tag. What do you call it? I've lost the words now. Little dangle tag. So you can write little memos on there, and it's detachable, and this one here does detach from the actual journal cover. So I'll just take this one off. So this is like a topper, a detachable topper there, and the journal is a tall and skinny. Just decorate the side with pearl trim, and then it's quite, how can I put it? It's quite chunky. It's absolutely chock full of pages. So I'll just kind of show you the ephemera we created. So I used a vintage lace holder spool to decorate in the papers. And I'll kind of have to do it sideways for you to see. Draw it a bit. Like I say, it's really tall. And then I've put little the postcards in most of the pages. So another thing I created was we did little pockets, and didn't actually get round to stapling these. Excuse me, no sneezing, Nicola. Yeah, stapled. Right. So little matchbox paper thingy. I don't know what these are called, I just don't know how to create them. So they go into the little pocket. Why is it when I want to go and film something I always start sneezing or coughing or clearing my throat? So we have got a high pollen count out there today. Oh yeah, okay, so with this one I just attached it as like a paper belly band. Just bring it over so you can slot put, you know, like letters in there. With this page I created a little envelope. Slotted one of them in. I did just use paper, regular paper, copy paper for this little envelope. to this side of the journal, aren't they? These papers. Just bring it up close to show you the design. I could always, hang on a sec, you'll probably see my fat belly if I did this. Hopefully you won't, but there. This is my pyjamas. Yes, I'm in my pyjamas today. Right, so we'll just keep it there like that. Still early morning for me. There's them. Just like a little flip there. So beautiful these papers are. There's another little matchbox book there. I use one of the luggage cases to put the little purse in. This was originally a sweet bag from our local sweet shop, a candy shop, and I just decorated it. Opens up. So I was going to continue adding laces, but it really doesn't need it, and it was just getting too full. There, as you can see, there's lots of papers. And plenty of writing space. Oh, fingers and thumbs here. There's plenty of postcards too to write notes on. So this one would make it a really good journal for those that actually do like to journal. I just create them by my writings. My writing styles are messy. It's really messy. So I don't journal in mine. But those that have nice, neat handwriting, there's plenty of journaling space to write in this. I'll just shove these back into the slots they can go in. I'll put you there. So thank you for watching, and I'll put all the links in the description below. And take care.